Mhm. Hi, baby. Hi, White Shoulders. Oh. Hi. You guys are making a mess, aren't you? Look at you all. Hey. There's a little ferret right here, right in front of the camera. Just turning his back. They're all playing with their little tails moving now. Usually it's Moo Cow, which is right in front of me, the white one, who usually is picking the fight. And Mr. Little Nanuki is still at the food bowl. There's the bullet. These are the two little girls that are beating each other up. Yes, I'm talking about you. They're so cute. They're only 3 weeks old. And there she is. She's sniffing me. She likes to get in my lap. Come on, baby girl. She's playing with her brother now. He looks like a mini Nookie. She's a little feisty girl. Are you protecting him? Hi. That's Mr. Little Nanuki. He looks just like his pet daddy. Oh, what's the matter, Mr. Potter? Mr. Potter's over by the trash bag. Oh, what's the matter? Yeah?
Come here, Mishka. You got your ball. Come here. What have you got? Mishka. Your ball. Show me. Show me. Some of that. Good girl. Ta. Ready? Ta. Good girl. Mishka. Can I see? Show me the ball. You see? You see? Good girl. Good girl. It's a ball. Hey. It's a ball. There. Hey, what's this? Mishka. you going? What are you doing? Come here, City. Good boy. Hey. Hey. What's that? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Can you throw it? Come here. Right there. Good girl. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's a good girl. Ta. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Get off my arm. Good girl. Come here. Let me see. Mishka. Mishka. Let me see. Come here. Good girl. Ta. Good girl. It's a pretty face. A pretty face. There. Yeah. There. Mishka. Come on. Let's have a look. A couple more times then. A good girl. Yeah? A good girl. A pretty face. There. Good girl. Come on then. Ta. Good girl. Ta. Drop it. Good girl. Drop it to me. Hey, hey. There. What's that? There. No, that's my wrist. There. Good girl. Come on. Hey. No, not my foot. Come in. Ta. No, you left the ball behind. There. Good girl. Come on, one more time, and then we rest. Yeah, go. Good girl.
Pusti ga, nemoj ga, skloni se. Pusti.
Ja nabijem dom da vidimo.
Nemoj. Igra fudbala. Simba.
Tačka za 2-3 mjeseca. Onda da ješta. Luzni jedan. Rozni. Lozni. Klijempo. Ha? Staje. Hej. Toga nemoj učiti.
Otići nas obuća.
Otiće ti obuća jedna. Drugo, malo su njegovi zubići još.
Mačka.
How your little sister's at? This is big dog. Yeah, these are my ears. Thank you. Here's your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Oh yeah, that's my mouth too. Get used to this. Picture. With a laundromat, you're going to be attacked by a little 4-year-old terrorist. You got to be able to handle it. You're such a cutie. Yeah. I'm gonna call you. Yes, can I help you with something? Don't you want to go play with your friend? Where's Frankie? Frankie. There you go. Go steal food. You and Rob, dude, you gonna take that? I wouldn't take that. There you go. All right. Gotta stand up for yourself, little Frankie. Good luck with that. At least you tried, dude. Is it, girl? You wanna go squirrel hunting again? Yeah, squirrels are crawling on the house. Frankie, you want a part of this? Alright, here we go. You gotta shake the door. It's tradition, Frankie. We do this the scare away. Lazaria. Alright, do your thing. Did you want to come inside? Huh? Oh yeah, there's Penny. Didn't you want to come play with Penny? Total rejection. I'm embarrassed for you, Penny. He doesn't even like you, I don't think. You coming inside? Hey, little dude. Are you coming inside? Hello. Hello. Hey, the false alarm on the squirrel. Come on in. Thank you, Penny. Think somebody smelled tacos with somebody's breath. I didn't account for the incredible. You can smell stuff pretty good, huh? It was like 15 minutes ago when we had tacos. Did I say the word taco? Sorry, dude. Some tacos for you. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Who's a good boy? And who's not pretty pissed off? I think you just lost your sanctuary. Frankie, sit. Good boy. You want to fetch for me? You ready? Go get it. Go get it. Oh, you got it. Come on, bring it back, little dude. Did you lose? There you go. You finished it. Good job. Good job. What's up, little one? What's he doing? You love this weather, don't you? You want to sleep outside tonight? It's going to be like, what, 6 degrees? At least it is above freezing. You can tell that from the monster icicles. So we got us a little bit of spring training here. Frankie wants to play center field for the Yankees, but we got to see if he can catch off camera. It's not been so good. All right, Frankie. Ready? Catch. Oh! Look at that. That was your first one. Good boy. Nice, awesome. Come on, dude. Reeling in a fish. You gotta be patient. You need to slacken the line. Pull him in. There you go. Oh, you're so vicious. What is it? What you want? What did you tell me? Such a crybaby. Okay, that's a telltale sign. Alright. Somebody's having a hard time realizing that it's raining outside. I don't want to get down. Down. Park your carcass, dude. I need you to sit. I need you to sit. And maybe we can talk about it. Maybe we can walk on concrete. You want to go walking on concrete? Will that make it better? But I'm sick and tired of cleaning your paws, dude. Totally sick and tired of it. I thought you are like cats. Don't you groom yourself? Hello? Do you hear the words I'm saying? This is a two-way conversation, dude.